Hi, sound check. There's the speaker, microphone cable, microphone, and snoring dad. That's loud. I'm not 50, I'm 18 with 32 years of experience.